Hi, Bob Loeffler here for Fearless Agent Coaching and Training. I want to talk about bad training. You know, when I was new in real estate, I failed for 5 years because I had a lot of bad training. When people cannot teach you how to sell, cannot teach you how to earn your full worth in real estate, they're always going to be talking about NLP. They're always going to be talking about the DISC profile. They're always going to be talking about personality matching. They're going to be talking about relationships. They're going to be talking about all kinds of crazy stuff that doesn't mirror and matching, all that kind of stuff. I want you to know that there is a simple formula that I was taught that made all the difference. And when you learn that, you will be a fearless agent. You will earn your full worth. Go to fearlessagent.com, watch all of our videos. If any of that makes sense to you, give me a call anytime. Love to help you. And I hope you become a fearless agent. Thanks.